Hello YouTube. We're doing some tent camping at Government Canyon State Natural Area. We speed up the video a little bit during the tent building portion of this video, but feel free to fast forward it if you don't want to see us set up a tent. We're nearing the end of setting up the tent now, and this picture coming up is the completed tent setup. We visited the park in late November, and the day before it rained, so all the trails were closed with the exception of one, which was the Discovery Trail, which we go down later on in this video.
This is where the trail for the dinosaur tracks starts. This is called the Joe Johnson route. As you can see, no dogs. You can take a mountain bike, hike, and they want you to yield to horses, and the bicycle must yield to the hikers.
We are now entering the Discovery Trail. This trail is 1.23 miles long, very easy hike. The ground is basically the same throughout the trail with this rock dirt combination and the occasional bridge. There is me and Deb on the trail. As mentioned before, at the time we visited the park, this was the only trail open due to rains. In a previous video, as you know, we took the Joe Johnston route to find the dinosaur tracks. That route is about 4 miles. When we got to the dinosaur tracks, we just turned around and came back. Before we get settled in for the evening, we did walk around the park and take some pictures of the nice amenities and facilities the park has to offer. No camping trip would be complete without a campfire and popping some good old Jiffy Pop popcorn. Here is Deb cooking a very nice breakfast using only one pan and a camp stove. The breakfast consisted of eggs, bacon, and sausage. We are now breaking down the camp. The tent is a little moist. The morning was very dewy, So we basically folded it as best we could, knowing that we'd had to dry out the tent when we got home. Tent camping was a new experience for me and Deb, and we did enjoy the change. I don't know if we're gonna do this more often, but we did it once and we know what we're missing. If you found this video useful or you just enjoyed it for entertainment, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to the channel. We're gonna do more bike riding, hiking, RV trips, and tour reviews with some miscellaneous things thrown in the mix. So give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next video.